Hi everyone, Aaron Friedlein, Product Manager with Ag Leader Technology here. I'm excited today to share a bit about the new features that have been added to the Water Management Editor of SMS Advanced. We've added these new automated tile features that make planning and creating tile plans for your fields easier than ever. To utilize these tools, you'll just need to use a 3D surface, either from an RTK planting layer or from a LiDAR source, and run the terrain analysis tool in SMS Advanced before you enter the tile plan editor. The first new tool automatically finds the lowest elevation within each unique watershed of the field, as well as the lowest elevation around the surrounding rim of that watershed. This will place a main from those 2 points in the shortest distance to drain water. The second tool automatically creates mains based on the position of your cursor, allowing you to manually choose where the new main will begin drawing and customize settings that will automatically make a pathway throughout. The third tool gives you the most freedom to customize the placement of main, allowing you to click the general path you want, but then the software will adjust the final pathway for ease of installation. All of these tools can be used in conjunction with the new offset tool that makes it easier to work with existing field obstructions such as grassed waterways, where the software will build a parallel main that goes on each side of that waterway for you. Ready to learn more about these tools? Check out our help text, Ag Leader Knowledge Base, or chat with our software support team. We can't wait to help you utilize these new tools on your farm.